Looking for a reliable, high-performance pump for your lab? Meet the Reconditioned Totton NEMP 2012. This multistage centrifugal pump delivers exceptional pressure, up to 80 meters of hydraulic head, with a steady flow rate of 200 liters per minute. Whether you're handling fluid transfer, circulation, or cooling applications, it's built to perform. Constructed with a corrosion-resistant cast iron body and stainless steel components, it stands up to demanding lab environments. And thanks to its optimized impeller design, you get improved efficiency with lower energy consumption. Worried about leaks? The advanced mechanical seal system keeps everything contained. Plus, with low noise and vibration performance, it runs smoothly without disruption. Built-in thermal and pressure relief safeguards provide added protection, ensuring long-term reliability. At Galileo Scientific, our specialists have carefully reviewed, reconditioned, and serviced this pump to meet top industry standards, so you get like-new quality at a fraction of the cost. Upgrade your lab's performance today with the Totton NEMP 2012. Contact us to learn more.